Here's how to withdraw money from PayPal to your FNB account in 3 minutes or less. Start the timer. One of the best performing videos on my channel is this one where I show you how to withdraw money from PayPal to any South African bank account using FNB's online banking system. I've been using this method to withdraw money from PayPal for the past few years, and I can confidently say that this is still the best method today because FNB is an accredited service provider. Most services that claim to let you withdraw money from PayPal are not accredited and operate without proper oversight. So I'm not comfortable giving those services access to my PayPal account. But with FNB, you can call or visit your nearest branch if you need help or have any issues. To withdraw money from PayPal to any South African bank account, you'll need to sign up for FNB's online banking system. To do this, go to fnb.co.za and click on register. In here, you'll see a few options. If you're not an FNB customer, select the last option. This will give you access to PayPal services even if you bank with Capitec, Absa, TymeBank, or any other bank. When you choose this option, FNB will ask for your banking details during the withdrawal process and send the money to that account once the transaction is complete. So, if you're not an FNB customer, pick this option here and click for me. Then select I don't bank with FNB. This will take you to the registration form where you'll need to enter your details and create an account. FNB might ask you to upload FICA documents to verify your details, but that's a quick and easy step. They'll let you know what documents they need from you. If you are already an FNB customer, then this is even easier. FNB already has your details. You just need to create an online banking profile. You can register using your card number and ATM PIN, your account number, or the ID number linked to your account. Once you are registered, simply go to the Forex section here, then click on PayPal services and link your PayPal account. You'll get a pop-up prompting you to log into your PayPal account and give FNB access to your account. For FNB to be able to withdraw money from your PayPal account, you need to grant them access. Once this is set up, you can withdraw money from PayPal at any time you want. Just go to Forex, PayPal services, and PayPal withdrawal. Choose the account where you want the money to go. If you're not an FNB customer, you'll need to enter your banking details here. I'll go ahead and select my account. Next, you'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Please make sure that this doesn't exceed your PayPal balance. Next, we'll need to confirm our address. For the BO codes, simply select 401 for gifts and click on submit. Once you're done accepting all the conditions here, you'll see the current exchange rate as well as how much you'll receive in rands. You can go to Google and try to confirm this exchange rate, but bear in mind that Google is sometimes inaccurate. But still, the difference between these two shouldn't be too much. Once you've confirmed that everything is in order, come back to FNB and click on confirm to complete the transaction. It used to take 3 days for you to receive your payment, but it is now instant as of 10 days ago. As you can see, when I click on confirm, they tell me that I'll receive my money within 5 minutes, and when I check my balance, you'll see that the money is already deposited into my bank account here, and I already have the SMS confirmation on my phone. Please do me a favor and like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.